So when you get your machine, everything comes in a neat little box. Unpack everything and put it out in front of you. The first thing you're going to do is plug the cord into a two-prong South African two-prong plug, and that goes into, this is the power cord. It goes into the back of the machine. You see there's only one hole there. That's where it goes into, like that. And your machine will remember the last setting, speed setting that you had. To make the machine go faster, you turn clockwise, and to make it go slower, you turn anti-clockwise. Now, to get the handpiece into the power supply, you put the part with the flange on the fitting into the back of the machine. It fits really snugly. It doesn't wiggle, it doesn't move, it fits snug. And then the other side of this cord will go into, you see there's 3 holes here. It goes into the first one. And then just check that the machine is working. Press start. There is the on-off button. Very quick, very easy. On and off. Right, so the next thing you're going to do, and always work with, when you're a beginner especially, work with the machine at about 5.5, 5.6, maybe 5.7. And take a new cartridge, right? Actually, before we do the cartridge, we always occlude the machine with one of these little covers. So you just slip it on. Actually, it's easier to do it, I think, from the back. So just slip it onto the cord. This is a machine protector. It keeps the machine cleaner. It helps to prevent cross-contamination, and it keeps the cord clean. This cover gets replaced with every client you do. So you put the cord back into the back and you slide the cover over the back of the machine. This machine, in order to adjust the needle length, you're going to have to be able to turn it here. So the cover can only come to here. Take a little bit of your grip tape and just wrap tightly onto the machine here. And the machine is almost ready. You can also wrap a piece of plastic film around here. I haven't brought one now, but a little piece of plastic film so that you can still twist the machine freely in this place here. Right, then you're going to take the needle from a sealed package. Never ever reuse a needle. These are MO needles that I'm using. We also sell them in the store. They are beautiful needles. They come sterile and they are high performance. So you twist. Do you see? You just hold it and slight pressure until you feel it pop in. Then all you have to do is twist it into place. Let me show you again. It's got grooves. This has got grooves. It's a click-in needle. So you just hold it there and twist until it flows freely into the machine. Right? Do you see that? From that, it flows. and then all you do is turn it in tight. Then you're going to start the machine, and you can see that this needle is way too far out, so it needs some serious shortening. So you turn the top anti-clockwise to bring it down, clockwise to bring it up. Again, anti-clockwise will bring the needle down, and clockwise will take the needle further out. Right. Your trainer should have actually gone through all of this, keeping the machine clean, keeping it sterile, how to insert, which needles to use, what pressure to use, how to work the needle, how to work the machine optimally. All of this should have been covered in your training. So if you haven't attended training, please take this seriously. You are working on people's faces, and you need to know properly how to work in the skin. I'm just going to quickly show you. Put the machine on. I work off the tip of my needle, the very, very tip of my needle. I'm just picking up a little bit of pigment, and all I'm going to do is show you a little bit of the machine working. Never let that hole be closed. You want to be able to see exactly what you're doing. And I'm just doing a little whip shade technique here. And just to show you the machine, how beautifully it implants. There you can see. If you have further questions, please get hold of us via our website. We've got a WhatsApp contact. You can contact us. There are many, many ways. Just go on to Google permanent makeup supplies, and we will gladly answer any questions. This is a beautiful machine. It's made to work for many hours on end. It is a strong, powerful machine, but it has amazing accuracy, and it is quiet. It is not a noisy machine. I really enjoy working with this machine, and I wish you many hours of happy use. Be careful that you never ever open up the inside of this machine. They are sealed for a reason. If you open it up and you start fiddling inside, any kind of guarantee or warranty will be null and void. Work with it carefully. Be careful not to drop it. Treat it with the utmost respect, and it will in turn deliver many, 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 many hours of beautiful work. Enjoy, and we appreciate your feedback.